Hi friends, today I'm going to show you an extremely popular South Indian recipe called rasam. Rasam is pretty much like a soup that you have during winters or even any other time. It's very easy to make and it's very delicious. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here half cup of cooked toor dal. If you don't have it, no worries, it's optional. I have taken a lemon-sized tamarind and I have soaked it in some water. Let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Taken 2 teaspoons of jaggery, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, half a teaspoon of methi seeds, 2 teaspoons of rasam powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 garlic clove, and 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. And since it's a soup, we need some water and some oil. Let's get started. Put the flame to medium high and add about 4 teaspoons of oil. Spread the oil across the pot just like this. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. Let them crackle enough. Just give it a quick toss like that. Next up, add the urad dal, jeera, pinch of hing. Next, add the garlic clove, some turmeric, add the red chili powder, add the rasam powder, and now add the methi seeds. Give everything a very nice mix. Let all the spices fry well in the oil. Now add the cooked dal to this tadka. Give it a good mix. Mixing well, it will take about 30 seconds or so. Add some water. Again, mix it well. As the mixture comes to a boil, we'll add the salt. Give it a toss and let it cook. We've been cooking on a medium-high flame, so within 2-3 minutes the mixture comes to a boil. As it does so, add the tamarind pulp. Mix everything really well. Now we are going to add some more water since we want to even out the consistency and thin it a bit. Add the jaggery powder. Keep stirring in between, making sure nothing sticks to the pot. Overall, we are going to boil this rasam for about 5 to 7 minutes on a medium-high flame. Now it's been boiling for about 7 minutes. Switch off the flame and the rasam is ready. Go ahead and garnish it with some coriander leaves. Serve it in a bowl. You can enjoy it with some hot rice or even just like that, it tastes that good. And it's very soothing, especially in the cold weather. Give it a try and I'm very sure that you will love it. I'm going to have it with some hot rice. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.